everyone, this is the unboxing video of the Boat Airdopes 281 twin wireless earbuds. You can see here's the package with me. It's a compact mini cardboard box and it's neatly packed. On the front you can see there's an image of the charging case and the earbuds, and it says move like never before. And on this side you can see there are some basic features mentioned here, like advanced audio coding, instant connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 water and sweat resistant, up to 3 hours of Nirvana per charge, power packed 420 mAh charging case, and HD 6mm titanium driver, and activate voice assistant, Hey Siri and OK Google. And on this side there is some basic retail information given together with the customer care number, so you can reach out to them whenever you want to. So yes, this was all about the packaging. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So this is the user manual. It contains all the important information about the Boat Airdopes 281, and you should definitely read it once before using these earbuds. Here is the product catalog by Boat. You can check this out. And these earbuds come with a 1-year warranty card, so it's a very good deal. Here's the Type-C charging cable provided by the company itself to charge the case. And there are 2 pairs of extra ear tips for your convenience. Now this is the charging case. It looks premium to me and it's light in weight, plus it's very handy, so you can carry this charging case with you wherever you go. The feel is smooth and the material used is very strong. The body feels strong, and on this side you can see there's the charging port for micro USB charging cable, and these are the LED light indicators. If I open this charging case, it looks very nice from the inside also. So yes, overall the charging case looks quite good. Now these are the earbuds from Boat. They look very stylish and quite good. Let me put it inside the charging case. So yes, this was all about the unboxing of the Boat Airdopes 281 wireless earbuds. For more videos like this,